Yo, what's going on, boys? Got another trade recap. I've got to try and be quiet here because it's quite late. But took this PM session win, caught this buy model back to equilibrium of this whole range here. Took this on the ES because ES was the more bullish index, high time frame. And we had these relative equal highs sat here right in equilibrium of this range. There's a 0.5. And I was leaving a runner to standard deviation and this buy side, but I ended up getting taken out of break even anyways. Now on the day is +100 pretty much. Yeah, buffer's almost complete. I'm thinking good. I'm on like a 4 trade win streak right now. Yeah, so high time frame bias. I did want to be bullish, so let's go over to NQ and see what's going on here. So we're still displacing back into range after the sell side, jumping into a 4 hour. We've had that 4 hour market shift now. Looking to see we have the buy side over here and this swing point that we'll see him at. Obviously, with Jones into these images. So in SMT, this is Thursday's high. Thursday 26th of March. Yes, I ended up taking that out. And then if we jump into a 1 hour, so my initial bias, I wanted us to be trading along out of this gap. At the time of entry, we hadn't actually closed below here yet. But regardless, I didn't care because we were holding this 15-minute nice and strong here that we continued to hold. Jumping into a 5-minute, we close. So here we go down to the equals, and we end up holding 3-minute. Let's do damage. The bodies tell the story. Jumping into a 1-minute chart now. Over to ES. Down here is where NQ ended up tapping into the 15 again. Took the internal low, and then we get real clear displacement back into the range. Sharp market structure shift. My entry was on this first, presented a gap, and then I decided to start this little gap. In terms of trade management, so I got Phil there. I had to weather a lot. I was in this trade for an hour long trade. This took forever to play out, but we eventually got there. So yeah, we end up trading down, tapping into this discounted 1 minute. Put the SMT in the low, ended up buying back up. Once we took this internal high, I trailed my stops underneath this low, and then held for these equal highs. I was in with 6 micros, and I took 4 off here, left 1 here, and then left 1 at buy side. Obviously, there's just not enough volume to do anything. This seemed pretty good, and then we're just edging TP to hold. At which point I was at break even actually when we opened up this gap. So we closed above this internal high, opened up this gap. I want to see that gap hold, and then I trailed the break even. So we ended up actually inversing that gap, but then holding this volume imbalance. Held the volume imbalance, and then the inverse trade failed. So if you're a short seller for PNA, then tough luck. And yeah, for that TP. Short video was recorded for the TikTok, so that's being posted right now. And then yeah, called out my bias to the Discord. Didn't actually trade live because I had one of my mates coming around to trade with me. But yeah, nonetheless, winning trade, 4 trade win streak. Buffer's nearly completely built. Account balances aren't looking too bad either. So um, this account, my Apex is at pretty much 2k profit, and then the Tradeify is at 1.5k profit. So we're chilling. And my Trade Zeller is actually looking really clean. So if we go to my Zeller score, I'm at a 72 right now, and yeah, this is looking really good. I'm at a 71% win rate. March is done. Obviously, there's all trades through here when I was on my eval, but those are gone now, so it's not on here. But yeah, the funded is looking pretty darn good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners and 2 losers right now. So yeah, man, that is the first day of the month complete. The monthly candle has opened. This is MES chart, so I can remove all this noise. Open up this. Now let's look into context for tomorrow. God, I got such a busy day in work tomorrow. I'm out the door at 20 past 5 in the morning, which isn't very fun. So I gotta get to bed. So let's remove this, Let's zoom back out to a 4-hour chart. So yeah, we got that S&T put in. I'll keep that on the chart for now. This can just be changed to the market structure shift for 4-hour. And then we've got this 4-hour BISI that I want to see us retrace to. Let's move that. Do the same for that. Sorry, this trade recap's gonna be so boring, but it's so late I can't be loud. Alright, then we got this 4-hour BISI down here. So, high time frame model is bullish. Took sell side, took the internal low, got the market structure shift. Now all we want is a pullback. This is back in discount, and then we find that internal model back higher, taking our buy side liquidity. Yeah, that's the bias as of now, so we'll see what the market presents tomorrow, but things are looking pretty good structurally. New monthly candle, we're expanding to the upside. We haven't actually put in a bottom wick, so you know, we could actually sell off. Oh wait, this actually works out. So tomorrow we're obviously going to be opening up this daily gap because this daily candle closes in 14 minutes. So I'll just mark that out now. And then we can trade down. That monthly bottom wick gets put in. We trade into that daily gap. Hopefully we can inverse this as well. That'd be great. But yeah. And then inside that daily gap is obviously that 4-hour. I'll keep it marked out. Just because that's handy to have. Alright, so there we have it. Bias coming into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. So yeah, I will catch you boys tomorrow for another trade recap or potentially market recap if there's no trade. So see you then.